Hello, my name is David Rivera, and I work for Hoshizaki America. Today, we're going to be talking about float switches. We have two kinds of float switches on our machine. We have the old style float switch that on our older machines, it would be located right next to the water pump. And we have our new style float switch. This float switch is going to be inside the reservoir in the same spot where the old float switch was. Let's talk about how we check the float switch. We're going to hook up our meter to the float switch. If your test leads are too big, we're going to use a paper clip. We're going to straighten it out, cut it in half, and tape it to the end of our test leads. So that way our test leads fit inside of the little red plug that plugs into the board. Like this plug right here. To be able to check the float switch, we're going to use a container of water. And we're going to hook up our meter so that way it's in continuity. And we're going to check the float switch, the functionality of the float switch 10 times in a row. Up is closed, down is open. If it fails once, it's no good. Like so. And that's a good float switch.